Hello, amazing, beautiful, majestical unicorns. We are here to try this Molr C+C. Let's see if I can get it in there. I guess it's upside down. I don't know. Molr C+C CNC Whitening Factory. It's coconut and charcoal teeth whitening. It's got activated charcoal. It's so small I can't read it because I'm blind. But the instructions are to remove the lid carefully, because it can be a little messy. So we're in the bathroom over the sink, so if I spill a little, it won't be on me or the bed or anywhere else, but in the sink. Add a pinch of a powder to a wet toothbrush. Brush for 2 minutes. Rinse with cold water. Repeat twice daily. Alright, so they sent a toothbrush. So just with a little M on it, I guess. And a toothbrush. So I wet the toothbrush. You open it and it comes like this with this little pull handle. Can be a little messy. Oh, it sure can. It is just, let's see if we can see inside here. It is just charcoal. So I put some charcoal on my wet brush. Let's brush our teeth and let's see if we get, now see, my teeth are pretty white. They're not really yellowy from coffee or tea. Some of my teeth are actually transparent, so let's see if we get some whiteness going on from here. This is attractive. And ooh. I don't know if I can do this for 2 minutes. Ew. It really doesn't have a taste except grit. It tastes like grit. But we will do this every day, twice a day, until it's gone. It's just gritty. It has no taste. No taste. No coconut. Anything. Next time maybe I'll bring my timer. And even in your brushing it's a mess because it's like getting flipped all over my hands. Alright, that's enough. Now I have rinsed and rinsed and rinsed. And I still see blackness. All right. I have a lot of space between my teeth, obviously. Like you can see the big one in between. But this definitely does not taste good. It's gritty. And it's a mess. And I didn't make a mess like on the vanity. It's a mess when you spit it in the sink because it doesn't just go down the sink. You actually have to wash the sink afterwards. This is not toothpaste. not toothpaste. But here is our first Psycho Smile for this Molr C+C Whitening Factory Coconut Charcoal Teeth Whitening. No coconut that I recognized, but we shall see what happens, because I will do it twice a day until it's gone. I'm going to do it, and then we'll see if we will measure today's first video. I'll put a little snippet, clip it, of my Psycho Smile in with in a couple of weeks and see if we have a difference. I am not overly impressed thus far. I figured it would have a flavor of some sort, but it's just dusty charcoal in your mouth that you're brushing with. And it really, like, my tongue is black. And I brushed. Like, you saw I brushed, I rinsed. This stuff does not come out easy. So there would be my first review of C+C Whitening Factory. Let's see how it goes. I'll check you all later. You guys know what to do. Thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Show you my pearly whites there. And I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.